Welcome to Debit Card Profits and our new Levels program. As you can see on this page right here, we have payouts of anywhere from $50 all the way up to $4,000. And it's very simple. On this page that you're on right now, you're going to enter your information into this page. And on the next page, you're going to get a ClickBank account, which is going to help you know that you're going to get paid by us. Not through ClickBank. We're going to send out a money order to everybody that refers someone and gets paid, because that's why you're getting on the payroll with us. And we use ClickBank for their affiliate program, because what we're going to do is we're going to send you a special link, and it's going to send everybody to this page right here. And we have ways that you can get a lot of people signed up with a free traffic source that we'll show you. But the main thing is to get started, because free members, if you refer someone that upgrades to a paid membership with us, you're going to get $25. See right there? You're going to get $25. Free members get $25. If you pay in $88, you're going to get paid $50. $188, $120, all the way up to $5,000, and you get paid $4,000. And like I said before, we send those out in a money order. So, it's a very simple program. You just refer people to your link, and you're going to make a lot of money with our program. So get started as soon as possible.